Welcome to the BearFamShow!
Hi everybody! Today on the BearFamShow, it's MommyBear and LilyBear. We're playing in LogiBear's room with her train set, and we have some awesome blind bags to get inside. Are you ready, LilyBear?
Not so fast, BearFam. I'm gonna take those blind bags and keep them for myself. And I'm gonna take your Lily too. Mwahaha! Ursula, I need your help. I got her, Jafar. What do you want me to do? Put that baby on the train tracks so she gets ran over. Let's get going. Mwahaha! I got your LilyBear on the tracks, and we're gonna run her over and take off with your awesome blind bag. Mwahaha! Oh no! Who will save her? Oh no! They got us! Ah! LogiBear, you saved the day! You saved your baby sister!
Thank you, LogiBear, for saving me. I love my brother. Yay!
Are you ready to get in some blind bags?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Let's get into them.
All right, Logie, we saved the day. Now we can get into these awesome blind bags. You want to hand Mommy one? All right, the first one he wants to get into is a Tsum Tsum's Mystery Pack. This is a Series 5. There's all of these that we can get. So let's get inside and see which ones we got. All right, let's get this one open. Whoa, what did we get?
Jack!
We got Jack! Woohoo, we got Jack!
That's my favorite season.
Whoa, let's show everybody. There's Jack. He's awesome. Mommy loves Jack.
Oh, that's cute.
It looks like he glows in the dark. There's a glow-in-the-dark ghost, there's the pumpkin, and then Jack. He's really cool. Alright, Logie, here you go. You're welcome. You want to hand me the next bag?
Yeah. That's supposed to work.
The Trolls? Okay, we got a Trolls Series 3 blind bag. Woohoo! Who do you want? Who do you want? Oh, it has blue hair. Whoa! Not sure if this guy has a name, but here's our yellow troll with blue hair. He's super cute. He's got blue overalls and a pink or purple nose. Blue hair. Lily likes him. Thanks for rescuing me. Woohoo! Alright, Logan, let's get into another one. A mashem. Finding Dory Mashem, Series 1. Let's see who we get. We've got a Dory and a Marlin. Look inside, look inside. Who do you want?
Huh?
Who do you want?
I want Bailey.
You want Bailey?
Oh, it's Destiny!
Destiny! We got Destiny! There's her spots and her happy face, and she's squishy! Alright, we got one more! Shopkins Surprise Egg! Mommy found this in the Easter section at Target.
It's a prize egg. Oh, more blind bags.
More blind bags.
Blind bags.
Shopkins. Shopkins. Gotta get the Shopkins open. Shopkins. That's super cute. It says Moose. Not sure if that's its name, but cute. Here you go, LogiBear. And then we get two in the surprise egg, so let's get this one open. It's a toilet! There's the toilet. We're not sure what the names are, but I would call this one Cutie Flushy. Flushy Cutie? Cutie-Co Flushy. What? This one needs to play Toilet Trouble with Logan. LogiBear, want to play Toilet Trouble with the toilet? Squirt, squirt! Alright everybody, that's it for our video today. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thumbs up, Logie. Good job. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later. Whisker.